Hey Zkers, it's Nahar here, and in this video I'm going to reveal an untapped product research method to triple your profit on eBay. Let's get started. So many of you already heard about the main product research strategies like competitor research, product research, or niche research. You can find a video that will walk you through these methods here. But if you want to really make an extra profit, if you want to stand out against your competitors, you always need to think out of the box. Innovate. Find niches where competition is low and where you can stand out against your competitors. Let me introduce you to the Spanish market on eBay. There are millions of people in the United States and in South America that only speak Spanish and only write Spanish. These people are buying product on eBay. They are searching for the product with Spanish words, and they want to buy products who sell with a Spanish description. This is an untapped niche. Many of sellers don't even know it exists. And when I say thinking out of the box is looking exactly for that, looking for niches, looking for products where most of sellers, whatever if they're wholesalers and dropshippers, did not even notice that there exist. What I'm going to do now is jump into my screen, show you how you can find product ideas and niche ideas in Spanish, even if you don't speak Spanish at all. I'll show you other sellers who are using this method. We'll see how much profit they make, and we will train together on how to find products in this untapped niche. If you guys liking the video, if you guys watching this channel and following me for a longer time, I'll truly appreciate if you can smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. This really helps us to get more exposure for this channel and help more people. Let's get started and jump to the most juicy part of this video. Alright guys, we are inside Zik Analytics, inside my computer, and I'm going to show you now how to actually get product and niche ideas when we're not speaking Spanish at all. Of course, if you're speaking Spanish, it's a big advantage and you can use it. But as a person, myself, who don't speak any Spanish, I needed to find a way to find these products and niche ideas. So what I did, I opened the product research here. We will use it in a minute. And I opened the AliExpress homepage. And because I don't speak Spanish at all, I will use the AliExpress homepage to get ideas for niches, categories, and products. So number one, what I will do, I will go here up to this part, I will click and I will change it to Espanol, the language. I will hit the save button. Now, after I hit the Spanish language here, everything will change to Spanish. Because I don't read Spanish, I will first use the Google translation, the automatic translation, to see the website in English first, and then later on I will change back to Spanish to see the words I need to search on eBay. So I change it to English. Now I can read what I see here. I just pick any random category you want here. It doesn't really matter. You can try different ones till you find the right products. So I'll go to sport and outdoor here, and then here I have different things. I will just pick the sneaker things. But now, because I need the Spanish words, I'll go back here and I'll change to Spanish again, and I'll again come here. I remember this icon, and I'll come back here to the sneakers, and I'll just click on the word sneakers to see the products that's selling under this category. So I'll come here to all these products here, as you can see, all with a Spanish title. And what I will do, just open any random product, and I will look for the keywords who basically define the product. Now, if you don't know what these keywords mean, what I highly suggest you is to look for keywords that repeat on many other shoes. So we have here zapatos, 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 and probably zapatos, it's boots or sneakers or shoes, right? So I'll copy here the word zapatos, only the word zapatos, that's it. And I'll go back to the product research on Zik. I'll hit the all location setting here, and I'll put here the word zapatos, and I'll hit the search button. Now what will happen, Zik will search all the people who selling zapatos, and hopefully we're going to find some sellers who are also drop shippers or sellers working in our business model, so we can find products. So eventually we use the same method, which is competitor research method. We'll first use the product research to find competitors, and then we will use the competitors to find the products again. So I'll hit the Zik selection here for zapatos, and let's see the result. It's going to be interesting, I'm sure. So I see there is quite a lot of sales for zapatos in eBay from worldwide, $12,000 in sales. And now we can also see that sell-through rate is not bad, success rate is 63%. But remember, step number one is find other sellers who are using Spanish titles and they're also working in our business model, like dropshippers, for example. So I'll scroll down and immediately I can see all the information, the flags. If you already know about Zik Analytics and you have installed the Zik Chrome extension here, you can see that you have the flags here, which saying a lot about the competitors, because we see Israelis who ship the product from China, and Moroccan who ship the product from China, and another UK seller who ship the product from China. These are probably drop shippers, all right? So what I will do next is we'll try to analyze these sellers. So I will just hit the scan seller button here and here and here. And you can go through all of them. You can pick the one you think are the best. I just did it with the Israel because I believe they're probably drop shippers. And then we can see their statistics. $2,699 sales for this seller. $8,000 sales for these sellers. Wow, these sellers have an extraordinary performance. We're talking here about 259 active listings, 397 sold items, $8,000. He made great profit and 153% sell-through rate. This is a great seller. But we are here to look for products we're selling with Spanish title. And what we can see that common for all these sellers, let's check out this seller as well, is they're all doing quite well, right? They're using this untapped method, untapped product research method, and they're doing quite well. Let's scroll down to see the products they're selling. So we can see here a Spanish title, another Spanish title. He also sells, oh, this is another Spanish title. This guy is basically focused on Spanish title and he's doing amazing, guys. So this is what I've been talking about, an untapped niche to triple your profit with a very low competition. And I highly suggest all of you to implement it into your dropshipping business. And if you're not a dropshipper, you're a wholesaler or you're working in any other method, definitely I highly suggest you to also list your listings with a Spanish title, because there is huge market out there searching for product in Spanish in title, and you can make plenty of profit. Let's move now to the part where we're finding profitable products with high demand and low competition. As you know, what I do is to scroll down the product here and look for products which have a lot of sales in the last 30 days. It's good also to have a lot of sales lifetime, but I focus on the last 30 days and not too many competitors. So we have this product here, we have this product here, we have this product here with 15 competitors and 11 sales. Let's check out this product here. So there is different ways you can find the product. It's either go here and click the AliExpress button and the search photo on Google. I'll give you a little hint. We are going to add an upgrade very soon, coming weeks, where you will be able to automatically see all the suggestions from AliExpress. Here we will automatically use the technology. We'll compare the picture and description and we'll show you all the relevant products on AliExpress. So let's check out this product right now. I'll open it on eBay. I'll come here to just search it by picture. I'll now use this tool here. It will look for the product on AliExpress. So I see you're selling for different prices. I'll open here some of them because I see different prices here. But the product here, we have to remember selling for, let's check out the one we looked for, $23.50. The product here is selling for $15.89. So let's check the right one. So it's $12.89 and $3.86. We will calculate the profit right now. So first of all, the product cost include of the shipping to the United States, it's 89 plus 3.86, it's 16.75, right? Good. The product on eBay sells for $23.50. Let's calculate the profit of this product. So it's 16, so it's $23.50 minus 14% PayPal eBay fees, minus 30 cents, talking about $19, minus 16.75. It's $3 profit for product selling for 23. It's a bit more than 10% profit. Let's do another example. Let's find another profitable product here. Let's try to find something with higher profit even. So I'll go back to some other seller. All right. So we have this product here. It's actually the same seller. It's 9 competitors, 10 sales in the last 30 days, 29 sales lifetime, $13.99 is the product. Let's go here and search for this product again. So I'll again do the same search here. As I said, this feature is going to be in Zik Analytics in the coming week. Very, very soon. Be ready, guys. So we see here different prices. Let's open them. Let's open few options. Have a lot of sales, so it's good. So we see here different prices. Let's just pick random one. So iPhone 6 and all of them same price. You see, I move from the colors, move from the models, all the same price. It's $3.30 and with a free shipping. So it's $3.30 selling on eBay. Let's take a look for $13.99. Okay, let's take a look. $13.99 minus 14% eBay people fees minus 30 cents. We're talking here about $11 minus $3.30. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, it's $3.30. We're talking here about $8 profit for product we sell for $13. Guys, this is insane profit in an untapped niche with high demand and very low competition. So we see the example here how the Spanish market can help us generate a lot of sales. I hope you guys are going to use this method on your store. It will help you generate a lot of profit. Guys, thank you so much. If you find this video valuable, please subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell to get notified. We're releasing every week videos. We have every Thursday a live where I do Q&A session, answer your questions. Hope to see you in the next video, in the next session. Have a beautiful, beautiful day and good luck with your business. Ciao.